Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn parts of speech. Parts of speech are the basic building blocks of English grammar. Every English sentence is made using parts of speech. Don't worry if this sounds difficult. This lesson is very simple and easy to understand. We will learn each part with clear examples and daily life sentences. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the basic types of words in English. They show how a word is used in a sentence. Main parts of speech, 8 types. Noun, name of a person, place, or thing. Boy, school, phone. Pronoun, used instead of a noun. I, you, he, she, it, they. Verb shows action or state. Run, eat, is, are. Adjective describes a noun. Big, small, happy. Adverb describes a verb. Quickly, slowly, always. Preposition shows position or relation. In, on, under, at. Conjunction joins words or sentences. And, but, because. Interjection shows feeling. Wow, oh, hey. Simple spoken English examples. I eat an apple. She is a good girl. He runs fast. The book is on the table. If you want to speak English confidently and correctly, learning parts of speech is very important. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start learning. Thank you.